Adrian.
Hi.
Thank you for taking the time for this brief interview. What do you think about Innovative TechTalks so far? How did it feel to be part of this event? That was, in a tight circle.
Yeah. Well, the event just started, so I'm really anxious to see continuing throughout the day. But to be honest, it's nothing new for us. At Maxcode, we have this kind of events every day, every week, maybe at a smaller scale, of course, but we talk a lot about what we do. We talk a lot about our processes, about our technologies, and for me, it feels like I'm at work, but happy about it. I'm with my colleagues, and we're just debating some topics that are of interest for us. And it's nice to have people from other companies and from the local community joining and seeing how we do things and how we run things usually.
Okay. What other topics would you like to attend to during the next editions? What do you think would be interesting?
Well, I think the buzzword now is AI, and I really think we should try to think about how to best approach this and how to bring value to our customers through AI, because I'm sure that's going to happen sooner rather than later. So I think that really be an interesting topic to address, and maybe also about working about processes, about agile, keeping a touch on that, and I think it should be a successful event coming up.
Okay, super. I know that your talk would be about importance of self-management for a software development team, and about how you guys do this at Maxcode. How did you come up to this way of working? Were there other additional management styles that you chose first and then came to this conclusion, or how did it happen actually?
Well, initially we tried it out. We said, okay, let's see how it works, and it turned out it actually did work. And we've been doing this, at least in my team, for the past 5 or 6 years. And we've been working like that, managing our work and taking responsibility and being accountable for what we do. And also, it's nice for us, for example, that we have a customer that agrees with us and gives us a lot of liberty in what we want to do. And together, we've been building a fantastic product in the past 5 years that's really made us proud. And it's really starting to grow, and we're really proud about that. And we really think self-managing is the key to a successful agile company. Depending on the experience of the teams, maybe have management a bit involved in the process at the start, for example. But in the end, leaving the people that actually do the work to be the ones in charge and to be the ones that make decisions, I think that's the key to a successful agility in your company.
That sounds interesting. Is this self-management, is this concept of self-management for teams a constant for the entire Maxcode team? For all the 8 teams that are working in Maxcode, or for your team?
Like my colleagues said this morning, we do the same, but not really the same. I mean, for us, we share the same values. We like to work in a similar fashion and to adjust and to help each other by suggesting approaches. But at the end, it's the team's decision what they do. And we all start from a self-managing standpoint and mindset, but in the end, it's up to the teams to decide how much they want management to be involved in what they do, and how much they want to be as a team in charge of the ropes. And we're very adaptable, and for our team, it's actually the case where we're mostly independent and we do things our way, the way we want it. But for other teams, if they feel the need, management is always there, and they are always able to offer a hand to help them out and to share their experience and their knowledge.
Okay, super. Well, Adrian, I know you've been with Maxcode for 6 years?
Yeah.
What are the 3 things you love most about this company? Just name 3 things.
Well, the first thing has to be the fact that we are able to do what we think is best. And we have a lot of freedom for choice and for making decisions. As I said, we have a management team that we can go to and ask questions. And that supports you constantly throughout your day and your activity. So that would be one thing. Secondly, the fact that technically we have access to whatever we want. That's something I really value. It's rarely the case that the project is set in stone and the technology stack is set in stone. You can basically have a freedom to choose what you want to work with, the tooling you need. There's no problem in funding, things like that, so that's out of the question. Let me think. And the third thing definitely is the recruitment process. I really like. It's a very thorough recruitment process. If we see that the person is not really up to par, we get to say no, even if we desperately need to have somebody on the team. That's sometimes the case, but we always choose the best, and if we can't find the best, we don't cut corners, and we wait, we try to improvise, we try to think and solve the problem differently, but we never make compromises directly by choosing persons that we think are unfit for the company. Yeah. So I think this would be my 3 top picks for this.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.